Hey there, welcome to GTECHAI. In this video, I'm going to show how to remove video background in Capcut without green screen. If you found this video helpful, consider liking, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Now, open the Capcut app. Here, click on Add Project. Now, select the video you want to remove the background. Now, click on Add. Now, click on the video. Now, slide till you reach remove BG. Here, remove BG, click on it. Now, you can either use custom remover or auto remover, but the best is auto remover. Now, click on auto remover. Wait for it to apply. As you can see, it have removed the background. Now, you can also restore it by clicking on restore, and also you can remove it by clicking on remove. Now, click on good. Here, save it. As you can see, I'll save it. Now play it. As you can see, the background is removed perfectly. Now you can apply it to any video by going back. Here, click on the video you want to apply it to. Now see, now to apply it to another video, click on overlay. Now click on apply overlay. Now click on the video. Here you see it. Now click on add. Now resize it by pressing it down, and now click on that remove.bg again. Slide till you reach remove.bg. Now click on it. Now click on auto removal again. You see it. Now click on good, but you can also add stroke by clicking on this stroke. Now you can add any stroke you want on it, making it more stylish. And now click on this down facing arrow. Now click on good. Here you see it.
Hi, thank you for watching. That's how to do it.
If you found this video helpful, consider liking, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI tool and tech related guide. Thank you once again. See you on the next video. Peace.